Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are out here at Groton Raceway in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and we're spending the day with the Michigan State Police. Now, this vehicle over my shoulder, it's the all-new Ford Police Interceptor Utility. Law enforcement officers are going to be putting this vehicle through the test. Ford happens to own 50% of the market share when it comes to police vehicles on the road in North America. Let's get behind the wheel of this all-new vehicle and put it through its tests. The newest Police Interceptor is a purpose-built SUV, and for the first time, Ford is offering the SUV version with a hybrid powertrain. Law enforcement agencies believe the new powertrain option will save agencies $3,500 annually per vehicle. And that savings will lead to hundreds of thousands of dollars local governments desperately need, not to mention reducing the impact on the environment.
Police vehicles end up idling a lot, about 60% of the shift. If you think about it, they're on the side of the road, maybe helping stranded motorists or doing something. The vehicle's got to be running 100% of the time if you have a gas engine. And with the hybrid powertrain, what that allows is that gas engine to shut off for extended periods of time, and it results in significant savings in addition to the 41% improvement in fuel economy.
One key feature that differentiates the Ford Police Interceptor is the new proximity camera. It has an approximate detection distance of 80 feet and provides immediate cover for officers in the vehicle by alerting them to a possible threat from the rear. It will both lock the vehicle doors and automatically close the windows. All right, so obviously what we need to do now is test out the police perimeter alert, and the best way to do that is for you to play law enforcement officer and for me to play the imminent threat. So I'm going to make my way around to the back of the vehicle. He's resetting the system. Now, Ford says that the total distance is 80 feet. I'm going to go about 30 feet out. 80 feet is the distance, so way back there. Now, if I start to pose as an imminent threat to this law enforcement officer, you can see the windows are going up. Boom, windows are up, doors are locked, and the officer is protected. Ford definitely trying to make their way from a technology standpoint with this vehicle, protecting officers. When you're out on a track like this and you're testing a vehicle, what's the process that goes into testing for a police pursuit vehicle?
Well, what we're looking for is that the vehicle survives the entire testing. It still has brakes, still has tires, and there's no mechanical failures. So we are looking for a full 32 laps at speed around this race course. This course is very dynamically challenging. There are a lot of elevation changes and off-camber corners, so it really puts the suspension and the stability control to maximum function.
The all-new Police Interceptor has moved past testing and is now available for local law enforcement agencies. Expect to see this vehicle coming to the Raleigh-Durham roads in the very near future. I'm Mike Caudill for WRAL Fox 50.